guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I won't lie, today I was a little bit skeptical about making this video, but then I thought that I have a great YouTube community and everyone will understand that I'm just trying to share and I am not bragging or showing off in any manner. Coming to the video, today I'm gonna share my top 10 expensive products that are worth the money. Also, I am posting 2 videos per week, so don't forget to check out my videos on Monday and Friday. And that is it about the intro part. Let's quickly hop into the video. The first thing that I want to show to you guys is this particular watch from Guess. If you follow my channel, you would know that I have a lot of golden watches. I'm not much into silver watches. So I got this one on my birthday this year, and it has crystals on it and it looks very classy. This one costed me around rupees 17,000 to 20,000. I don't remember the exact price of everything, but I feel this is totally worth the money because I can use it for a very long time. You guys already know that I don't wear a lot of jewelry and I don't have a huge jewelry collection, but one piece that I absolutely love is this one. It's an earring. So it is from Divinus Creation and the earring is made up of Swarovski crystals and it is so beautiful. This was little bit expensive, but I got it eventually because I think I can wear it and my mom can also wear it. I saved this earring for all the special occasions. I used to watch all these fancy ram shows and I was so fascinated that all the models were wearing all these fancy clothes, and I thought to myself that someday I want to buy one of those dresses, and eventually I did. I got this dress. Wait, it's very heavy, so I got this dress. It is going to cover me from this brand called Carleo. Yeah, it is from Carleo. It has some amazing work on it. I'm gonna insert a picture on the screen so that you guys can understand how it is going to look on you or how it looks on me. This was little bit expensive as it was a ramp dress, but it was totally worth the money, plus it was my dream, so I got one. The fourth expensive item that is totally worth the money is my iPhone 11. It's an amazing phone, guys, and I shoot all my videos, all my vlogs with it, and you guys can see the quality. Also, it has 128 GB storage, so I don't face any problem with storage and recording my videos. So if you're a budding blogger or if you're a budding YouTuber and you have that kind of money to invest, definitely buy iPhone 11. I'm hoping that you people have already watched my bag collection ka video. If you haven't, then I'm gonna mention the link in the description box. A bag that I had showed in that video also was this one. This is my most expensive bag. I got it from Da Milano. The store is available in South City Mall and it costed me around rupees 7,000, but I feel this is totally worth the money because I use it all the time. Plus it is very much in fashion. Also the leather quality is really nice. You guys are already aware of the fact that I love to collect lipstick, and one lipstick that I absolutely love is this one from MAC. Today I am wearing it onto my lips and I love this color. It is called their Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick and the shade number is Fashion Legacy. I love this lipstick. It is very light-weighted and it costed me around rupees 1900, which is little bit expensive, but I think it is totally worth the money. In case if you guys don't want to go ahead and spend so much money on a lipstick, then I have a dupe option for you people. You can go and buy this one from Miss Claire. It is in the shade number 26 and it will look exactly like this MAC lipstick. I wanted to go ahead and include something from the skincare part as well. I'm gonna show you this product. This is from the Body Shop and this one is a spray sunscreen. When you're traveling, it is very difficult to apply sunscreen on your face, so I would suggest you people to get this one. It will cost you around rupees 2895 and you get 60 ml of the product. I had used it and it does wonders for your skin. So if you have that kind of budget, definitely give this one a try. The 8th product that I want to show to you guys is this particular pair of shoes from Truffle Collection. It is one of my favorite brand and I got a pair of boots from them I think 4 years back, and they are in such good quality. I can't even tell you guys. After I got them, I never had to go ahead and buy any more black boots. So they are little bit costly. Yeah, they costed me around rupees 3,299, but it is totally worth the money. And if you go ahead and invest in black boots like this, they are gonna last you at least 5 to 6 years. The next item is this DSLR camera from Nikon. When I started my vlogging career, I invested in a DSLR camera, and this is my one and only camera. So I never went ahead and got any other camera for myself. This is doing just fine. This is Nikon D5200 and it costed me around rupees 35,000. It was little bit expensive, but I think it is totally worth the money. I got the portrait lens with this particular camera. If you want, you can go ahead and invest in wide angle lenses as well. The last product that I want to show to you people is this nail polish kit set. I got it from OPI and it costed me around rupees 3,000, which is little bit expensive, but you get 3 nail polish in this particular kit. The first one is a base coat, the middle one is the actual nail polish, and the last one is the top coat. So you can get gel nail polish with this particular kit. If you go to a salon to get gel nail paints done, then it is going to cost you 1,000 rupees per sitting. So I will suggest you to go ahead and get a kit for yourself and do it at home. I hope you guys have liked this video. You don't need all these things to be happy in your life. I just have them, so I'm sharing it with you people. If you don't have them, then it is not a big deal. Eventually you're gonna get everything in your life, and I wish for that. Anyways, if you have liked this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, I'm posting on Monday and Friday, so don't forget to check my video out. And that is it about this video. I'm gonna see you super soon in my next video. Bye.